The essential guide to choosing an accident attorney. When you've been involved in an accident, whether it's a car crash, a slip and fall, or any other unfortunate incident, choosing the right accident attorney is crucial. A skilled attorney can make a significant difference in the outcome of your case, ensuring that you receive fair compensation for your injuries and losses. In this essential guide, we will walk you through the key factors to consider when selecting an accident attorney. Expertise and specialization. One of the first things to look for in an accident attorney is their expertise and specialization. Not all attorneys are well versed in personal injury law, so it's crucial to find one who has experience specifically in handling accident cases. Look for an attorney who has a proven track record of success in similar cases and is familiar with the intricacies of personal injury law. Reputation and reviews. A reputable attorney is more likely to provide quality representation. Research potential attorneys online and check for reviews from previous clients. Websites like Avvo, Martindale-Hubbell, and Google Reviews can offer valuable insights into an attorney's reputation and client satisfaction. Don't hesitate to ask for references or testimonials from past clients to get a better understanding of the attorney's performance. Accessibility and communication. Effective communication is essential in any attorney-client relationship. Ensure that the attorney you choose is accessible and responsive. During your initial consultation, pay attention to how well they listen to your concerns and whether they provide clear, understandable explanations. A good attorney should keep you informed about the progress of your case and promptly address any questions or issues that may arise. Legal fees and payment structure. Understanding the attorney's fee structure is crucial before entering into any agreement. Most personal injury attorneys work on a contingency fee basis, meaning they only get paid if you win your case. However, it's essential to clarify the percentage they will take from your settlement and any additional fees or costs associated with your case. Transparency in fee agreements is vital to avoid surprises later on. Trial experience. While many personal injury cases are settled out of court, it's essential to choose an attorney with trial experience. A lawyer who is willing and able to take your case to court if necessary can strengthen your negotiating position with the opposing party. Insurance companies may be more inclined to offer a fair settlement if they know your attorney has a proven record in the courtroom. Resources and support staff. Handling a personal injury case requires a team effort. In addition to the attorney, inquire about the support staff and resources available to handle your case efficiently. A well-equipped law firm with experienced paralegals, investigators, and administrative staff can make a significant difference in the outcome of your case. Local knowledge. Opt for an attorney who is familiar with the local legal landscape. Laws and regulations can vary from one jurisdiction to another, and an attorney with local knowledge will understand the nuances of the legal system in your area. Additionally, a local attorney may have established relationships with other professionals in the legal community, which can be beneficial to your case. Conclusion. Choosing the right accident attorney is a critical step in seeking justice and fair compensation for your injuries. By considering factors such as expertise, reputation, communication, fees, trial experience, resources, and local knowledge, you can make an informed decision that maximizes your chances of a favorable outcome. Take the time to research and consult with potential attorneys to ensure that you find the best fit for your specific case.